This radiator is acting kind of funny. I know it's really close to things and you're really not supposed to do that, but it's very much necessary because this window leaks so bad that even when you close the window, it doesn't even feel like you closed it. I made a video on that back somewhere on the channel, but listen to the sound it's making. You hear that? That was the sound. A little ticking sound. Now, what I find interesting about this is that I mainly use it over here. And it never makes the sound. I've used it over here a couple times, and it's made the sound. And I use it over here, and it's making the sound. And I don't know why. Because I never put it on any other circuit in this room. There's two circuits in this room. There's one that powers those two outlets, and that outlet. That was an awfully loud tick that time. And then there's another circuit that powers that outlet, and then those two outlets. And that one has a GFCI on it that trips all three of those outlets. It's really weird how they have it set up, but it works. Now, it's not like it's not working, like it's throwing off a good bit of heat. I actually have it on low right now, because even low is good enough to keep the room warm. It's actually a really good heater. If this problem persists, then I might have to get the other radiator down here again. There's a black Honeywell one, I made a video on it. But the problem is, it's up in the attic. And guess where the last place I want to be when it's really cold or really hot? The attic. And it's pretty cold today. I don't know. It's not really. It was snowing a bit earlier. It's in the mid-30s today. And it's supposed to go down into the 20s tonight. It's gonna be cold. Like, it's been really cold recently, where I sleep with a sweatshirt on. Because, well, yes, both the windows in this room are complete, and in many cases in this house, some of them aren't. Even though the windows in this room are complete, they're in horrible condition. Specifically this one. This one isn't too bad, but it is deteriorating in a couple ways. And the seal there's no actual weather sealing. This one's even worse. And I'm not even gonna move the blankets, or else there's just gonna be a gust of cold wind that comes in here. Yeah, this thing works. It's pretty cold. It's pretty hot coming off of there. But I don't know. Let me know if this is just okay and it'll stop, or if it's bad and I should unplug it right away. I just noticed the clock's ticking synchronously with the time on my camera. I think it always does that though. It's not making the sound anymore. Well, let me know either way. It's a DeLonghi radiator. Guess I'll show you the front of it. Why not? This is 3 speeds, so this is low, and this is medium, and then this is high, and you can see the light changes its brightness. Can't really see it that well on camera. Maybe you can. Yeah, you can kind of see it. And then there's the thermostat. I have it set on 3. I don't usually have it turned up any more than 3. It goes all the way up to, unblur. It goes all the way up to 6. I don't know why you would ever want to turn it up that high. It's not really making the sound anymore. That's good. It doesn't have a ground pin on it, it's just a 2-prong. And the plug's actually awfully small for something like this. Sometimes this plug does get a little warm. And this is off time because I had to move all that over there because I wasn't about to plug it into that. Especially when this plug is already iffy. Yeah. Either way, it's a good radiator. It would suck to have to not use it. I prefer this over the fan forced ones because it's a lot quieter. And even when you shut it off, it still works. So it's a little bit more efficient in a sense. But, yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I'll try to get some videos, more fan and heaters, stuff like that out. Because I know a lot of you guys want to see more of that stuff, but we're trying, man, we're trying. It's that time of year where there's just not much to film. But, yeah, that's it.